Weight. The APA standard recommends 36 pounds, 16 kilograms for mature toms and 20 pounds, 9 kilograms for adult hens. This is currently more than most heritage birds and less than broad-breasted lines. For example, at the Pennsylvania farm shows 1932 to 1942, traditional toms averaged 34 pounds, 15 kilograms, and hens 19 pounds.
8.5 kilograms. Similarly, target market weight is 25 pounds, 11 kilograms for toms and 16 pounds, 7 kilograms for hens, but heritage birds are often lighter at 28 weeks. Biodiversity. Industry birds are descended from very few lines, in which genetic diversity is severely reduced through intensive breeding for production.
Productivity. Heritage birds grow slower than industrial lines, reaching table weight at around 28 weeks. However, their productive life is longer. Hens lay most within their first 2 years, 20 to 50 eggs per year, but continue laying for 5 to 7 years, while toms breed well for 3 to 5 years.